Survivalist 31 here. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm going to start with an EDC update. It's changed a lot. I've gotten a lot of new stuff that I've got in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first item in my EDC is the Bison Design belt right here, which is, I think it's the last ditch. It's the nylon belt with the sliding belt buckle. It's got Velcro on the back just to secure it. It's a great belt. That's where you want to start with your EDC. You want a solid belt that'll hold up all your extra crap. Next thing, I picked this up a little while ago. I actually really like it. It's pretty nice and compact. It's the Kimber Pepper Blast 2. I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, pepper spray, that's for women. Well, I can't legally carry a firearm right now. I really don't want to get close enough to stab somebody with a knife. And I really don't want to be in a situation where I had to use lethal force to defend myself. It's a great option. It's 2 shots. Your first shot's on the top, your second shot's on the bottom. It's got a little swing out trigger, and it's got a set of sights right there, just like using a handgun. And you just point it, pull, and you got about an actual 10-foot range. They say 13, but it's more like a 10-foot range. Then I have my keychain, which is a Black Diamond carabiner to start with right here as the base. Then I have the keys to my truck. I've got a Photon microlight right here. A little light on my keychain. This is just a big rugby ball novelty keychain because I'm a rugby player. I have a Leatherman micro on here. A great little tool. And then I also have a Wenger Top Executive 88, I think is which one this one is. It's kind of like a Leatherman class, or kind of like a Swiss Army Classic on steroids. It has got so many tools. And then I just have those attached to my keychain with the Night Eyes Zero Size Beaners, house keys, and then I've got a little Smith & Wesson 40 cal round as a key fob over here, just so I can find my house keys and stuff in the dark. Next, I've got my watch. It's just a Rip Curl Surf watch, red digital watch. It's got the date, the time, timer, chrono, all that kind of stuff you want. It's a nice watch. That's a good solid part of your EDC, so you know what time it is. My phone, Evo 3D in an OtterBox Defender case. I will either have that in the front left pocket, or I keep that inside of the holster it comes with on my right side. I tuck this in the back on my right side, which is my strong side, and usually keep this on my right side too, just clipped into one of my belt loops. In my back right pocket, I carry my Mighty wallet. It's just a Batman one. I've got a couple of these. They're really good wallets. They hold up well. I've got my ID in there and just some money. Pretty thin profile and holds a lot of stuff. And last but not least, we get to my pocket knife. I'm carrying this in the front right pocket, strong side, clipped on. This is a Kershaw. It's the Select Fire serrated one with the flat matte finished sort of satin blade. Like I said, half serrated. It's got 2 Phillips heads, 2 flat heads, and bottle opener slash ruler slash driver combo. It's a great little knife. I'm going to do a review, and I'm going to link a review to the knife, to my micro, and to my Swiss Army knife right here, and then I'm going to do a review on the Pepper Blast also. So that's just kind of what I've got going right now. I just bought a bunch of new outdoor stuff, firearms, hunting gear, just all sorts of stuff like that, so I'm going to do a bunch of reviews coming up, and just leave you guys some time to click on the links for all the stuff that I'm going to tag on here. Survivalist 31 out.